Hey guys, welcome back. I got another video for you, so let's do that disclaimer right now.
Disclaimer: persons depicted in this video are presumed innocent until proven guilty in court of law. This video is for educational and news purposes only. All information has been supplied by law enforcement agencies and is considered by law to be public domain information. Body-worn camera footage has been edited for length and in accordance with YouTube community guidelines while maintaining a journalistic focus.
Now, this happened on 11/14 of 2024 in Volusia County, Florida, when a sheriff deputy noticed a vehicle with a couple of violations. Well, first of all, he didn't stop at a stop sign. And when he pulled him over, the guy didn't have an ID. You know, it's one of those, it never ends well, sovereign citizen thing. So let's go ahead and take a look at the video.
Stay in the car. Sir, what's going on? I'm trying to pull you over.
I just wanted to park.
Okay. Do you live here?
I'm in right here, yeah.
Okay. So usually when you get pulled over, you don't stop where you want to stop, okay? It's very dangerous for us, all right? So the reason for the stop is two things. One, you're not wearing your seatbelt. The second, when I was coming behind you, you ran the stop sign.
I didn't run the stop sign.
You did.
I put my blinker on.
Okay, you put your blinker on, but you didn't stop at the stop sign. Do you have the driver's license, registration, insurance?
No, I don't have all of that stuff.
Okay.
I operate outside of your jurisdiction.
What does that mean?
This is a private automobile.
Okay.
It's registered to a private estate.
Okay. So you have no form of identification?
Let's start with this.
Okay. Just do me a favor. Stay in the car, okay, sir?
Here. And
Not a problem. Do me a favor. Don't get out of the vehicle, please. Yeah, it's Motor 44. I'm dealing with a Sovereign. I'm at 19 Seaville Drive. If one of you can come over here.
Oh, I would love to.
So you don't have a driver's license, sir?
no.
So I ran your tag. It's not coming back to anything.
No,
I need to identify you, sir.
It's registered to a private estate.
Okay, so where is your identification? Okay. Are you giving me this?
This is all private property. It's not within the jurisdiction of the corporate state of Florida.
Okay.
You work for the corporation, am I correct?
Sure.
State of Florida?
Yeah.
The corporation incorporated. All right. I have no contract with them. No driver's license, no registration. The car belongs to a private estate.
Okay.
So, private estate trust. It's a private estate.
Okay. So in the state of Florida, sir, you need a valid driver's license to operate a motor vehicle upon our streets, okay? Also, I have no way of identifying you, okay? You have a document in your possession that says passport, but it is not a passport.
It is a passport.
It is not a passport, sir.
This passport is on record with...
Okay.
With...
You got a driver's license?
Nope.
No, I don't have one of those. As I'm telling him, it's in a private estate.
Okay.
I'm going to hand this back to you, sir. So Have you ever had a driver's license in the state of Florida?
No,
Any other state in the country?
I have none of those. Haven't had one. Don't use them.
Okay. What's your first name?
You can call me.
Is that your government name or?
That is my given.
Okay, sir. So here's what's going to end up happening, okay? If you do not identify yourself, you will be going to jail. I would hate to do that.
I'm giving you my identification.
That's not a valid identification.
Anthony, state of Florida, you need a driver's license to drive. It's that simple. So if
No.
you don't have a driver's license, you can go to jail. That's what's going to happen today.
I'm trying to be respectful to
I
you,
am
sir.
too. A license is not.
I already told you what's going to happen. That's where we're at. We're not playing the game today.
Yeah, this isn't even.
That's not a passport.
No, it's not.
All right.
So are you gonna
Traveling
produce that
upon
lady?
and transporting
Do you have a
one's
driver's license, Anthony?
traveling upon and transporting one's property
One more time.
upon
Do you have a
public
driver's
roads,
license, Anthony?
which is a
Anthony,
right.
hold on. Before
No,
this,
we're done with this. Go ahead and step out of the vehicle.
Step out of the vehicle. Do it now.
Step out of the vehicle.
All right. I'm coming out. Vincent.
you don't have to talk to him right now, sir.
Vincent.
Turn around. Put your hands behind your head. Don't resist.
Stop tensing. Stop tensing.
Stop right now.
Put your hands behind your back and stop tensing.
You got my car? I'll leave it
We'll
here.
leave it here. That's fine. Can I have the
It's it. The
keys?
Just
keys are
1
in-
second. I'll talk to you after this is all done and said with here. You have anything on your person that's going to poke me, stick me, hurt me?
No. I have
Separate your
yogurt
feet.
in the front seat. Would you
Separate
put
your
it in
feet.
the-
Separate your feet, sir. All you had to do was identify yourself, sir.
That's identification, man.
I already called 1015.
Oh, okay.
All I require is the passport with me.
Okay.
Would you just give
That's
me my
temple
wallet
charge.
and my lighter and change, or can you just put it back in the car?
You can put it back in the car. Unless you want him to have it, I can give it to him.
Yeah, that's 10-4. We have a 10-15. He failed to identify himself. Can I put
yeah,
him in your
you
front
can take
cover,
it,
or do you have
Vincent.
stuff back there?
I'll take it out. Search.
My passport. I need my passport
Okay.
with me. It's lawful ID.
It'll be in evidence.
I think someone said they were on their way to us. I think someone said they were on the way to us. Have a seat, sir.
Yeah. The sovereign citizen games don't play here.
I'm not a sovereign citizen.
Well, you need a license to drive.